Do you want to become a certified laughter yoga leader and get trained to lead laughter yoga and laughter therapy sessions in corporate companies, yoga and fitness studios, schools, senior citizen centers, and offer public seminars and workshops? Namaste, Sat Shri Akal. I am Sukhwinder Singh, an internationally certified laughter yoga teacher, yoga master, and meditation teacher, certified by Laughter Yoga University, Yoga Alliance USA, and Osho International. I am teaching for more than 8 years. I've taught thousands of students, conducted laughter yoga leader training programs, yoga teacher training programs, workshops, meditation retreats in India and other parts of the world. In this training, you will learn the complete art and science of unconditional laughter. That is, how to laugh without humor or any reason, and how to teach others to do so. Trust me, it is very easy and you can do it. How to introduce laughter yoga and its therapeutic benefits. Facilitation skills to lead a group of people through laughter yoga exercise and laughter meditation. Facilitation skills for grounding and relaxation techniques like pranayama, breathing exercise, and humming meditation. Facilitation skills to lead various laughter yoga sessions, that is for kids, teenagers, senior citizens, or corporate sector. Developing communication skills, body language, and confidence for stage appearance. How to handle and address challenges faced during laughter sessions. How to handle insecurities and fears of life through laughter. How to market your service. How to make money using laughter yoga. And how to run a successful laughter yoga club. This training will help you on professional level, but it will also help you in your daily life. You will be able to manage your daily life stress, anxiety, mood swings, seriousness, anger issues, and ego issues. It will help you maintain emotional balance and improve self-confidence, leading to contentment and spiritual development. In this training, you will get 16 hours training, internationally recognized Laughter Yoga Leader Certificate from Laughter Yoga University, lifetime registration of Laughter Yoga International, 6 months free access to Laughter Yoga Pro Zone for further updates and studies, current training manuals, that is PDF and printed versions, ebooks like Inner Spirit of Laughter, Laughter, Tears and Silence, You Can Heal Your Life, and Guide to Yoga Nidra. Additional resources related to laughter yoga, 1 week free telephonic or Skype laughter yoga meditation training or support, lifetime support for help and guidance. This training is available at big discount. So click the button below to enroll in online or offline laughter yoga leader training. Namaste, see you at the training.